So somewhere out here is the Inglewood Hotel. Well, not Inglewood Hotel, but it's more of a stadium hotel. I have seen a rendering of it, and that's a little bit smaller than I was anticipating. Got some kind of concrete operation going on the perimeter here off of Century. Got a big one here. Trying to determine if the hotel is on the right here, this wood framing, or if it's this area over here with the sheathing. I know it's going to be near the lake. The lake is still further to the right, I believe. Trying to piece this all together. Taking a back end look here east of the stadium. So I'm gonna go with this area being the retail district. I don't think this is the hotel. What I do think the hotel is, I'll show shortly. Wind is calm. You see the 3 flags are pretty much standstill. So you see that wood frame structure. It's a little bit taller. I'm guessing that's going to be the hotel, based on one rendering I've seen. It's kind of hard to determine, but anybody working on the project still, if you want to chime in and comment down below, I would love to know if this is really the hotel or if it's just part of the residential ongoing construction that you mostly see along Prairie. Portion of the performance venue. Think of the window. Still want a little bit of landscaping there around some of the parking lots.